In this quick video, we're going to take a look at how you can create a button that behaves like this, meaning going from outline to fill when you hover over it. And here is what you need to do. First, you need to use the text tool by pressing T and typing in button or whatever text you want to use for your button. Then you need to select this text object and press Shift A to add auto layout, adjusting these paddings over here, adding a fill and rounding the corners like this. You don't have to do this specifically. You can choose any design of the button you'd like, but in our case, we're going to turn this to a blue button with white text. I'm going to also go over here with this frame selected. I'm going to go over to stroke. I'm going to add stroke that has the same color as the background by sampling the color from here, and then go over here to create a component. This component is going to be called button, and we're going to also add a variant. This variant is going to be called hover, and the first variant that's going to be called default, and we're going to remove the fill by setting the opacity to 0, and also I'm going to select the text and sample the color from the button background. So here we have the two states. We are now ready to define the hover behavior, and we're going to do that by going over to prototype and then connecting the first button to the second button, to the second button variant. And under interaction details over here, we're going to define that this is going to happen while hovering. Change to property 1 hover, smart animate ease out 180. Our interaction is now ready. We just need to prepare a screen that we can use this on. So I'm going to use the frame tool to create a frame, then go over to assets and place this button onto our new screen. I'm going to center it and then launch the prototype. And this is the final result. When we hover over this button, the background fills in with color, and when we hover back outside, it reverts back to its original outline state. Thanks for tuning in. Leave a like if this video helped you, and I will see you in the next one.